Welcome to the installation guide for the custom tension fabric backdrop. First, check all components included in the package. You will find 2 curved aluminum tubes, 2 right-angle tubes, and 2 detachable bases, along with upper and lower straight tubes and left and right straight tubes. If your backdrop is larger than 7.5 by 7.5 feet, you will receive an additional support vertical tube. Now, let's assemble the frame. Simply connect each tube and let the snap buttons click into place. Insert the bottom of the frame into the 2 detachable bases and secure it. Next, install the left and right straight aluminum tubes. If you have the additional support tube, attach it at the center for extra stability. Install the upper straight aluminum tube. Then, slide the pillowcase-style fabric graphic over the top of the frame. Pull the cover all the way down and close the bottom zipper securely. This ensures a smooth, tight, and wrinkle-free finish. Your backdrop is now fully assembled. Thank you for watching and enjoy your backdrop.